So hello and welcome everybody, and in today's video we're going to be having a look at the word pissed. So pissed is a word that we use in Australian English, but it has actual different meanings. So if you have a look here, I've written 3 different meanings that we have for the word pissed. So the first one that we have is the word to mean to urinate. So that means when you actually piss yourself, that means you go to the toilet in your pants. Basically, you don't go to the toilet in the toilet, you go to the toilet in your pants. Sorry, my fingernails are a bit dirty because I was gardening. When you go garden, your hands get dirty. Sometimes it's just a little bit hard to clean. So anyway, let's get back onto it. So we've got pissed to mean you go to the toilet in your pants. Then we have the second one. Pissed means you're angry. So when someone is very pissed, that means they're very angry. Oh, I'm pissed, man. I'm pissed. And you can actually use all these in a sentence. And the third one, pissed, is to be drunk. So generally that's related to the pissed up the top. So my mate Jacko was pissed, so pissed that he pissed his pants. And in the morning, he was pissed. So in that, what I was saying is my mate Jacko was drunk. He was so drunk that he weed in his pants. And when he woke up in the morning, he was angry. So my mate Jacko, he was so pissed, he pissed his pants. And when he woke up in the morning, he was pissed. So that's basically the 3 main ways you can actually use pissed in a sentence. There's probably other ways which, if you want to leave a comment down below, people use pissed, but in Australia it's generally these. In other countries it's probably other ways of using the word pissed as well. Anyway, here I'll leave the video, and just want to say bonza and have an awesome English learning lesson. And these videos are just for fun. So anyway, have fun and goodbye.